Every polished AI video you watch was made with a team, a subscription, or both. I made this one with Python and a browser. Let me show you how. Traditional video production is a trap. You buy After Effects, you learn keyframes, you render for an hour, then the client wants one word changed and you start over. For a solo operator building an AI business, that is not an option. I needed something I could iterate in minutes, not days. Here is the stack. HyperFrames are animated HTML compositions. Think CSS keyframes, SVG stroke animations, responsive flexbox layouts. Everything I already know from web development, no new software to learn. Then FFmpeg, the open source video engine that runs from the command line. It takes a folder of PNG frames and turns them into a broadcast-ready MP4. No timeline, no layers panel, no monthly subscription, just code. The animation lives in a plain HTML file. This bar chart, pure CSS, 2 divs, animated height keyframes, gold gradient fill. The architecture diagram, inline SVG with a stroke-offset animation that draws the lines automatically. The intro glitch effect, CSS text shadow animation with a random offset. I design it like a web page because it is a web page. That means I can preview it in Chrome, tweak colors in real time, and know exactly what the final render will look like. Capture happens through Headless Chromium. Playwright opens the HTML, sets the viewport to 1920 by 1080, and takes a screenshot every 33 milliseconds. That is 30 frames per second. For an 8-second clip, that is 240 PNG frames. FFmpeg reads them in sequence, applies H.264 compression, and outputs an MP4 clip in about 20 seconds on my dual RTX 3060 setup. Assembly is where the magic happens. The final video is not one long render. It is a concat pipeline, hook clip, gap with B-roll, brain animation clip, gap, results clip, gap, architecture overlay, final gap with website footage. FFmpeg concat demuxer stitches them together losslessly. Then the audio. Ambient dark drone at -18 dB for atmosphere, ElevenLabs voice clone at -3 dB for presence, mixed in a single filter complex chain. The whole render from script to MP4 takes under a minute. 42 seconds, 12 megabytes, professional grade output from a machine I built myself. When the client says change the gold to blue, I edit a hex code and re-render in 5 minutes. That is the advantage of owning your pipeline. The full code and all HyperFrames templates are at bizflowai.net. No sign up required. If you are building solo, this is